I'm Hannah and I'm going to be making this video. So for number 1, I had to draw base 5 blocks to represent 2, 3, base 5. So what I did was I drew 2 base 5 longs and then 3 unit cubes. But then to get to base 10, I had to multiply 2 times the 5 and then 3 times the 1s. And that simplified to 10 plus 3, and then that equals 13 to the base of 10. For number 2, you start with 91, so I did 9 longs and then a unit cube. So then, to turn it into base 5, I have to make all of these longs into smaller longs. So this will be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. But I would need to make this one a flat, this one a flat, and then this one a flat. And then I have 3 left over, so that's 3 flats, and then 3 longs left over, and then there's 1 unit cube. So my answer would be 331 base 5. For number 3A, my operation was subtraction. So the model I used was missing addend. And so for the 10 pennies, I did 10 dots, and then there was 6 left over, so I did 6 more dots, and then I connected them. And then there was 4 left over, so 4 was my answer. My model was missing addend, and my operation was subtraction. For 3B, I did division as my operation, and then I did 3,000 divided by 3. So my model, that's my model, and it was missing factor. But how you would solve it is 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then you add the zeros, so it would be 1,000 as the answer. For 3C, I chose multiplication for the operation, and then I multiplied 3 interior, so I made, my model was a set, so I made 3 circles, and then 4 exterior, so then there would be 4 dots in each one. Then you add all the dots up, and it would be 12. For my word problem, I did Josiah has 3 cookies. His friend gave him 6 more cookies. How many cookies does Josiah have now? For the number line, you would start at 3 because he already has 3 cookies, and you would add 6. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you land on 9. So your answer is 9. The number line is better to use than a set because I feel like you can get a set confused with multiplication. And a number line is just an easier visualization from getting to 3 to 9. For 5A, I had to add all the flats and the longs and the units. So you add 300 plus 200 is 500, 10 plus 30 is 40, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. Then you keep adding, so 540 plus 11, and then I got 551. That's how I did multiplication. For 5B, I subtracted, so it would be 8 minus 3 equals what? But if you take 3 away, you would have 5 left, so the answer is 5. For 5C, there was 32 apples, so then you divide that by how many tubes there were, and there were 6 tubes, so I did 32 divided by 6 equals 5 with a remainder of 2. And then 5D, there was 4 circles with 3 x's in each of the circles, so it would be 4 times 3 equals 12. So for number 6, Larry added wrong. He did 9 plus 3 equals 12, and then he did 2 plus 8 equals 10. So he did not do it right. Mo also did it wrong. He didn't carry over the 1. He just did, so he did 9 plus 3 to get 12, but he didn't carry over the 1. He just wrote the 2 and then added 2 plus 8 to get 10. And then Curly carried over the wrong number. They added 9 plus 3 to get 12, but they switched these numbers. It should be the 1 up here and the 2 down here. And then they added 4 plus 8 to get 12. So that was also wrong. So how you actually do it is 29 plus 83. It would be 2, carry over the 1, and then 11. So 112 would be the answer. And then for problem 7, I said the easiest was 8 minus 3 because it's you can do it on your fingers. It's just easy to do because it's single digits, so it's 5. And then the middle one, which wasn't easy but wasn't hard, you just subtract down, and they all subtract nice. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. So then that one subtracted nicely. This one was kind of harder because you had to subtract 2 minus 7, which would make it a negative. So you had to carry over this, you put the 5 down, but you carry over the negative, and so it would make it like 8 minus 7, which would get you 1. So my answer there was 50.